In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Among Us is taking a while to sign in error. First, check your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network. A weak or unstable connection can prevent the game from signing you in. If needed, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. You can also turn on the flight mode on for a couple of seconds, then again turn off the flight mode. This is going to refresh the network. Now open Among Us and check if your problem has been fixed. Next, check if the Among Us server are down. For that, open any web browser and type Among Us server. Now go to any reliable website such as Down Detector to check if there is any server outage. If there is, you simply want to wait until the servers are fixed. Now, if you're using a VPN or proxy service, disable it temporarily and try signing in again. VPNs can sometimes interfere with the game's connection to server. Finally, make sure that you're using the latest version of the Among Us app. For that, head over to Play Store or App Store, tap on the search bar and here type Among Us. If you find an update option, tap on that and update the app to the latest version. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.